Welcome to Vesture Retail Management Solution, India's first and only end-to-end retail management solution on cloud. VRMS helps to organize retailers. In this section, we will have a glance on how to create a product and its entire processing, from getting a buyer order from a customer, making its purchase order from our supplier, then stocking in that product, making its dispatch, and finally delivering that product through its invoice. To start up with, first point the cursor towards sourcing under the submenu dashboard. This takes us to the dashboard. Then under the submenu order processing, click on to do task. Here we'll find the different tasks that are being used in this process. Product development. To create a new product, we use product development. Buyer order. The order that we are getting from our customer comes in a buyer order. Purchase order. The item that the buyer has ordered us, making its purchase from our supplier, comes in purchase order form. GRN. Stocking in that product after the purchased product has arrived on our organization. Dispatching it after having the stocking in of the product and making finally its invoice to the customer through this. To start up with, first we have product development. To create a new product, right click on the product development column, click on create product. This takes us to the product master form. Click on add to add the product. Select the appropriate product type in which the product lies. Supposingly, if it's a finished product, we'll select the finished product. Its section, whether it's a top, tunic, rin, dress, jacket, pant, etc. In case if our product does not lie in this section, we can even type the product to add that product in our list. Then its subsection in which it lies, the name of the article number, what is the number of the article, the brand of that product, its fabric, the color of the product, its size, any other specification that you want to enter about the product, its item code. It's mainly a mandatory field about the product. Then its description about the product adds on in this product description combo. Then the barcode number of that product, its unit of measurement in which the product lies, the rack number in which the product has been placed, its MSRP, the cost of the product, its currency in which it lies, the sourcing price in which we have purchased that product, the sale rate on which we are selling that product, the sales tax if any applicable on that product, excise duty if any applicable, the minimum order quantity that we are ordering comes in this grid, lead dates, the days that are applicable. Here even we can add the image of the product if we want to. Just click on select front image and it helps to attach the image. If any other further attachment we want to add, we can add that attachment in this field. Or if in case we have multiple products, then we can even import the products from our Excel file and click on import list form file to import that product. That product gets imported and then just click on save to save that product.